Oh, I thought he only had 6.
Oh, he had 6. Now he redid it to 7, so it's 7 platform 515s on 7 7500s.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
He's gonna probably burp a 66 sealed. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I came to get a demo. Huh? I came to get a demo. I've never heard it. I'll fix that. Whoa. Oh, I thought he only had 6.
Oh, he had 6. Now he redid it to 7, so it's 7 platform 515s on 7 7500s.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
He's gonna probably burp a 66 sealed with that power.
Well, we built for Outlaw because where we live, everything's Outlaw. So they'll do a 67 something Outlaw. Like if we had DB Drag where we live, we'd build for sealed, but we don't have it.
Yeah.
So why build for something we don't have?
Yeah.
So, what's temperature at?
I got it up to like 240.
Woo!
Yeah, bro, he's been to so many shows with you, but I've never seen your truck on his channel. It's kind of upsetting.
I made one video, I just never heard it.
No, so you gotta be in it. That's what I meant, like you haven't been in it.
I'll be here tomorrow too.
Yeah, shouts out to my brother, you know what I'm saying, Project Pat. J36 Mafia up in this jump for life, you know what I'm saying? My nigga C-Wiz on the mix. It's all food. Chicken. Making Woofers slap and rookies time. It's DJ Rush
This one?
Yeah.
What do you peak at?
Around 39 or 40.
Oh, that's good. Is that with the seat forward or blocking the port? I don't know if you tested that much.
I have, but it don't really change. No matter what I do, it peaks around 39.
39?
Yeah,
The truck likes that.
No matter what I move, what I change.
Yeah. And what level are they PS? What kind of subs are they?
They're platform 5.
Platform 5s? Okay.
Yeah.
So, I remember when you had 6. I didn't realize you had 7.
Yeah, I had one more just I was trying to, competing, just trying to get a little bit.
Get louder.
Yeah, it did work.
Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Stephen Duncan's system. He showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021 TD8 show. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. There's a really powerful system and a really impressively loud demo. This was the thumbnail of the previous demo I got about 2 years prior. Now he has 715s, where before it was 6. I didn't get the SPL score difference, but I'm sure he gained at least a dB or two he had have. If you didn't notice how he had his port, it wasn't exactly one angle. He had to really do a lot of custom fab work to get this port to fit 715. So very unique, one-of-a-kind build. Shout out to you, Duncan. Did a really good job. And find out all the electrical he had in his vehicle, but I'm pretty sure he had 3 390 amp alternators on a total of over 480 amp hours of lithium and a lot of other amplifiers outside of the actual subwoofers hidden on the side of the doors, making a total of 50,000 plus watts between 7 15-inch subwoofers. About to get to the bass demo now. Got a really good solid flex action inside the vehicle, out of the vehicle, playing some low frequency notes, cooling the subs, as well as his window seemed like it was about to pop out. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy.
I got a lot of cash. I don't mind spending.
I'ma smoke this joint and I'ma break you off. I'll be lying if I said you ain't the one. All these tattoos on my skin, turn me on. Cash for you.
cool. Good shot on this side too with the board. You want to get this side?
There you go. I appreciate it. You have a good day, man.
Yeah, you too, bro.
That was awesome.